in your 30s and you're still trying to figure out your money, don't panic. Most of us are in the same boat. But what you do next will either set you up for peace or for pressure. Your 30s can feel like a tug of war between your responsibilities and your dreams. You're earning more, but somehow it never feels enough. Bills, family, savings, rent pulls it out at once. I have been there. But over time, I discovered these 5 smart money moves that changed how I manage and grow my finance. And trust me, it is not about any millions overnight. Okay? Now, number one move is that you should get real with your numbers. Most people in their 30s avoid checking where their money really goes. Tracking everything, your income, your spending, your debt. Once you see the truth, then you can control it. You cannot control what you cannot measure, right? So move 2, build an emergency fund. Like, I can't overemphasize that enough. You need to build an emergency fund. One emergency, like a hospital bill, a job loss, can actually wipe out months of progress you have been making. You can start with a budget of 100k, then you build it up to 3 to 6 months of expenses. That cushion gives you peace and freedom to take smart risks. Starting a new business or learning a new income generating skills. Okay. Now, move number 3 should be investing in skills. Investing in skills before stocks. In your 30s, your best investment might not be financial. Rather, it is personal investment, like investment on your personal growth. Personally, I learned this in a very hard way. I used to save and save and save, but still I wasn't growing because I did not invest in learning a new skill, learning a new business. Once I invested in learning high income generating skills such as affiliate marketing, content creation, sales and marketing, my income literally grew faster than any interest rate could. Then here is move number 4. Move number 4 is very, very, very key. Ditch debt, especially bad debt. Unplanned spending, they are silent wealth killer. Avoid them. If you owe, create a repayment plan. Start from the smallest and then pay it off and snowball from there. Every debt you're able to clear is like you getting a raise. Okay, now smart move number 5, which is the last one and very, very, very interesting one, is build passive income. Build passive or extra income stream. This is very, very, very important. I can't even overemphasize this. In fact, it should have come as number 1 because it is very, very, very key. Okay, so at this point in your life, you need to have a system generating consistent flow of income for you, whether you are actively involved or not. Your 30s are actually the best time to build an additional source of income for yourself. All right, do not depend on one salary. At this point, do not depend on one salary. It is time for you to generate extra sources of income for yourself. Start a side hustle, learn affiliate marketing, sell digital courses, like invest in things that will give you returns, that will start giving you returns. Sell digital products or monetize your knowledge and your skills. That is exactly what I did. I started small, I made mistakes, yes, I learned in the process, and now the extra streams are what gives me a lot of options, because money gives you options. You are not stuck, you are not limited. All right, I'll wrap up by saying that if in your 30s you don't need to beat yourself, all right, you don't need to feel left behind, or you've missed dates, or you've lost all the opportunities. No, it is never too late. Okay, if you're watching this now, I want to remind you that it is never too late. If you start now and watch yourself grow in the next 1 year, you should have been far, far better than you are right now. What you really need to start doing now that you've heard this thing, is to actually get started in order to get ahead. Just start with awareness, build discipline, take one step at a time. These 5 money moves may look very small, insignificant, or non-effective, but I can guarantee you they can create massive results when done consistently. And if you'd love to learn how to build income online just like I did, check out the link in my description if you're watching this on YouTube, or check out the link on my bio if you're watching this on TikTok, and check the comment section for the link if you're watching this from Facebook. So you really don't want to miss out. So do that right away. This could be your first smart money moves that you've been making right away. So if you actually watch this video to this extent, congratulations. I believe you've learned one or two things from this video. Please do well to like, do well to comment, do well to share, do well to subscribe to this channel if you're watching on YouTube, do well to follow if you're on TikTok and Facebook. All right, once again, my name remains Faithfulness, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Bye.